How to trust an app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, scroll down to the end and tap on VPN and Device Management. On this page, you can manually configure a VPN connection and manage installed device management profiles, which are sent by an administrator to configure the device. On this page, you should be able to view all the apps. From there, tap the name of the developer of the app you want to trust. Then, tap on Trust. Tap Trust again when the confirmation prompt appears. On some newer iOS versions, you may need to tap on Allow and restart. After the process is complete, you should be able to open the app. Following these steps, you can easily trust an app on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.